So remote grids are standalone power systems in that they are permanently islanded. They're not connected to the broader electric grid. We actually pull the wire, the distribution line, when we deploy these remote grids. They're typically using a combination of solar, battery storage, and fuel power generation, specifically propane generation, as backup. And they provide 24/7, 365 service to generally one or a handful of customers. Our primary driver for this program is wildfire mitigation. We're deploying these systems as a way to remove power lines in high fire threat areas across our territory. And so the goal is to make these systems safe, but still reliable and clean in order to address our wildfire mitigation goals.
One thing about remote microgrids, though, is that's where you get the greatest diversity of renewable resources. And again, harking back to Alaska, where you actually have hydro, there's even a geothermal microgrid on the Aleutian Islands, which, if anybody knows, the Aleutian Islands is just basically all geothermal energy. But wind, I mean, actually most of the off-grid systems early on were intended to be wind diesel hybrids.
The company we started in Sub-Saharan Africa and in frontier markets, and we've done it's pushed us to do a lot of innovation to solve problems that show up there, and then turns out that's really helpful when you're commissioning a system in Mariposa or with Liberty up in these. They're remote. They have the same challenges around connectivity, internet connectivity.
We estimate that a remote grid reduces wildfire ignition risk by 98% compared to conventional overhead power lines.